The purpose of this lab is to find the rate law of crystal violet when reacted with sodium hydroxide by creating a calibration curve of absorbance versus concentration. The equation of the calibration curve will then be used to analyze the crystal violet reaction and determine the rate law. First, we would want to find the optimum wavelength to observe crystal violet with a spectrophotometer. This graph shows the absorption spectrum of crystal violet. The most accurate range of absorbance would be between 0.2 and 1. So, looking at the graph, the best wavelengths to choose would either be 540 or 610. Make sure your wavelength is not between those two values. Set up the spectrophotometer, turn it on and let it warm up for 15 minutes. Then set the wavelength by turning the dial. Next, the device needs to be calibrated. For the new spectrophotometers, like this one, you do not need to calibrate it. But if you are using one of the old ones, then you would use the DI water to calibrate 0% absorbance and the chalk to calibrate 100% absorbance. To put a cuvette into the spectrophotometer, wipe it off with a Kim wipe, open the door, line up the white line on the cuvette with the line on the machine, and then close the door. To use the serological pipettes, first take off the plastic wrapping. Notice there's a little bit of cotton at the end of it. When you are filling the pipette, do not let the solution soak the cotton. If this does happen, you'll have to throw it away and open a new one. After you take the pipette out of the plastic wrapping, attach the bulb to the top. Squeeze the bulb to let the air out and place it into the solution. Release the bulb until you reach the desired volume of solution. You might want to go a little bit above the desired volume because you're going to lose some solution in the last step. Lastly, remove the bulb from the pipette and immediately cover the top with your thumb.